Tom met pretty much my whole family.
Oh.
Brothers, nieces, nephew, mum,
your
dad,
dogs, yeah,
the dog,
everyone,
Nelly.
yeah.
Oh, so you have met Nelly. What was Nelly's thoughts?
Nelly really likes Tom.
Yeah.
Oh.
She was giving him kisses straight away and then sat on his knee. So
Yeah, bless her.
That could have been the end of it all.
it could have been.
Yeah.
No, it actually could have
Imagine
been.
you're just going to split the money and see you later. Because Nelly's not a fan.
If Nelly didn't like him,
I'd be
see ya.
out.
Yeah.
That is the most important thing, though, I think, with a relationship is making sure your family and your dog likes your
I think
boyfriend.
dogs have good senses too.